Having trouble finding the 2016 Honda Pilot fuse box or figuring out which fuse controls what? In this video, we'll show you its location, layout, and how to troubleshoot common fuse issues. Let's get started. Engine compartment fuse box, Type A. The 2016 Honda Pilot engine compartment fuse box Type A is located near the battery and houses essential fuses for engine and electrical functions. It contains primary power distribution fuses for components like the ignition, cooling fans, and fuel system. The fuse box cover includes a diagram for easy identification of fuses and relays. It also features high amperage fuses for critical circuits, ensuring system protection. Engine compartment fuse box Type B. The 2016 Honda Pilot engine compartment fuse box Type B is a secondary fuse box located near the vehicle's battery. It houses essential fuses for critical systems such as the AWD, cooling fan, and EPS, electric power steering. The cover includes a diagram for fuse identification. Always refer to the owner's manual for specific fuse ratings and locations. Interior fuse box Type A. The 2016 Honda Pilot interior fuse box Type A is located under the dashboard on the driver's side. It houses various fuses that control electrical components, like power windows, door locks, and interior lighting. The fuse box cover typically includes a diagram for easy identification of fuse locations and amperage ratings. To access or replace a fuse, you may need to use the fuse puller provided in the vehicle.
Types of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse,
Bosch fuse, DIN fuse,
PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse condition. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement. While a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses.
Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement.
Safety precautions.
Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.